Jain student, today we are going to discuss the another important topic, that is company organization. A company is that form of business organization which is willing established by some persons of earning profit under the Companies Act. Many persons generally invest capital in a company and therefore it is also called joint stock company. Its capital is divided into transforming transformable limited shares, which means that its share can be generally bought and sold. Liabilities of its member is limited. The business of a company is stable and its business is run through the common sales. In other words, we can say that company is an artificial person created by a law having separate identity with the perpetual suggestion and common seal. Now, what are the features of the company? First, incorporated associations of persons. A company is incorporated or registered of persons under the Companies Act. The single individual can form a company. A minimum number of 7 can form a public company, while minimum number of 2 person can form a private company. A company is associations of person which has more than one person. It is registered. Its registration is initial. Next, artificial legal persons. A company is artificial created by a law. A company is artificial person because it is only created by law. It is the individual have no body and soul. Company cannot perform physically action like other ordinary human being, but it has all the legal right to the proceed against anybody, can hold property as a owner, maintain it or sell it, and can write bill of exchange. Next, separate legal entity. The existence of company separate free from its member company can keep property in its name and enter into agreement. It can file suit against anybody and it can also be sued. All the liability and asset belong to the company itself, not to the owner. Next, perpetual succession. The life of a company is completely more stable than all other form of business organization because a company is artificial person, therefore no question of its natural death. At the same time, it is not affected by the death or bankrupt of the some shareholder or director. Since it is a legal person, it is cannot go off extent only through the legal process. Next, limited liabilities. The liabilities of shareholder in the company generally limited to the value of the share. The word generally here means that company can be a limited liability through the guarantee, but its use is almost negligible because of the huge liabilities, huge losses. It can only demand the balance call of the share from its member. Next, common sale. Company being an artificial person cannot put in a signature under the Companies Act. The right to use the common seal have been given to it. The common seal is a special seal bearing the name of the company which remain in possession of its security. It is essential to have the common seal along with the signature or at least two director or witness to give any document legal shape. Next, transferability of share. The share of the public company can be fairly transferred, and company are two type, public and private. It means there is no legal restriction on the sale and purchase, and likely the partnership business there is no need to seek prior approval of the member for the transfer of share. Next, separation of ownership and management. Since the number of owners shareholder in the company business large, they are separate the distance place. They cannot interfere in the day-to-day routine of the company. Therefore, in order to run the affair of the company, they elect the representative who are called director. The board of directors is known as managing body with the manager the company business. Thus, the management and the ownerships are separate in the company organization. Next, risk bearing. In the sole trade, all the risks have to borne by the single individual, while in the partnership, only few individuals face a risk. In case a company risk get divided among the number shareholder, nobody feel the burden. That is why company does not hesitate to undertake more risk venture. When there is a more risk, the opportunity for the profit are more. Therefore, company has the capability to undertake more risk ventures, and its profit goes to members and their society. Thank you.